We interviewed a few contractors. Unfortunately, contractors have got a very bad name, and I can see why. We interviewed about 3 or 4, and not one came back. And then we went to MBK with Renan. He was very responsive, came back straight away. The work was excellent. Normally you get big cost overruns. There were no cost overruns. Everything that he said he would do, he did. Very surprisingly, through the whole process, there were no hiccups. And if there were minor hiccups, they were attended to straight away. There was no song and dance, and this isn't included, that's not included. Everything we asked, any little change, they did willingly. And again, I can only highly recommend them. The end result, as you can see, is really a great job. We couldn't have hoped for any better outcome than we've got, and hopefully it'll last us for many years to come and improve the value of the property. My recommendation is to remodel the right way with MBK. They are the best.